Such an
Oh no,
avocado.
it's so bright.
Shine
Nico
bright,
Cutter avocado.
shine
There you
bright
go.
like a diamond.
Rihanna in the house. And
Shine bright
hey,
tonight. Christina Aguilera.
hey.
Pero kanta ni
Yan yung
ano.
game natin, ma'am.
Tawa niya, girl.
Mamayo.
Nauutot ako sa'yo, Jay.
I'm related orgasm. Or somewhere in that zone.
Kasi paubos na talaga yung energy
Forever.
ng person na ito.
Grabe, ito yung usong vlogging cam before.
Oo, super.
Hey guys, so I have adobo in my braces.
Yeah.
Nom nom nom.
Yummers!
Can I taste?
Okay, but how?
Girl! Maligo ka na, girl.
Ito na po.
Kasi nabababad ka na sa aircon. I-ano mo lang yung heater. Boy.
I'm not sure about this now.
Okay, so here's their wardrobe. And then, doon po is 300 each. And then here naman po is 250.
Mine na kayo.
Yes. Ano pong code?
Ito pa yung shorts, black. Size small. Ito,
Diyan po sa suot mo.
Ito.
Oh!
Wag. Bad yan. So grabe.
Your kumot is so cute. That's so you. Did you give that to Pat?
No, she got this first. And then, nainggit ako. So, binigyan niya rin ako ng akin. So, yung dala ko nung nag-Australia kami.
Oy. Ahoy, mate.
Are you from the land down under? Crikey!
So the people I'm working with, they're based
Australians.
in Perth.
Mm.
Yeah.
Layo nun?
So same ng time zone sa atin. So guys, I'm wearing the contact lens. Yung ano, matcha latte.
What match are you using pa?
TikTok po.
Pwede pa sub-oat.
Muta lang. Ay.